Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, I am your grade 3 social teacher. In previous class what we have learned? We have learned about the sun. What is the sun? Sun is a huge round ball and it is very hot gas also. Yes children, and if there is no sun, we will not get summer and we will not get, plants will not get food, and also the plants will die and we will also die. So the sun is very important. Now in today's class we will learn about the moon. Now what is the moon now? You will which time you will see the moon? Every day you will see the moon? In which time you will see? Yes, we will see everyday moon. But in which time? In the night time. Yes, but every time the moon will be round, right? Every time the moon will be round? No children, sometime the moon the shape will be different. Full moon day, half moon day we will say, right? So the shape of the moon will be decreased day by day and increased day by day. So this have different in shape. What is the color of the moon? It is white or silver. In more detail we will learn from the reader. Open your reader children, okay?
Did everyone open page number 114? Yes, we'll read the topic, the moon. The moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth. A satellite is an object that goes around planet. The moon goes around the earth. The moon is smaller than the sun. It is also round in shape, but we see different shapes of the moon from the earth. This is because we see only that part of the moon which receives the light of the sun. The moon does not have its own light. Life is not possible on the moon because it does not have air or water. There are many astronauts who have been to the moon, who have went to the moon. Children, see the picture. You can see the picture. The moon does not have a fixed shape. Yes, children, the moon does not have a fixed shape. Yes, children, the moon is a satellite of the earth. What is the moon? The moon is the satellite of the earth, and what shape it will be? Round in shape, and we also have different shapes. Many people have stepped on the moon. There is water on the moon, but still we can't live on it. This is because it does not have air for us to breathe. We need air to breathe, right? So there is no air ipsums. That's why we can't breathe, so we can't live there. Okay, many people were able to step on the moon, but it's not possible to do that on the sun, because the people have went to the moon, but it is not possible them to go on sun, right? Yes, because why? Because it is a hot ball gas. You can see how the sun is hot ball gas, so we can't go on the sun. It has its heat and light, but the moon does not have the heat and light. The sun is bigger than the moon. Since the moon is much closer to the earth than the sun, both are appear in the same size. The moon and the sun is the same size, but sun looks bigger because moon is near to the earth and sun is far away. That's why we can see the earth sun is big and moon is smaller. The moon is round in shape, but why do we need not see it round every day? Because it does not have its own light. Yes children, only part of the moon which receives the sunlight only we can see from the earth. This is why we can see the different shapes of the moon. See, you can see different shapes of the moon. The sun has its own light and therefore it's a fixed shape. The fixed shape is not there for the moon. Okay children, did you understand? Now let's do the workbook children. Okay children, write today's date, that is 10-12-2020. Okay, now open page number 12 children. Okay, S3, we are doing S3, the moon. First bit, draw a moon in the box below. Write 5 words to describe the moon. You have to draw the moon children first, then you have to describe 5 words about the moon, how the moon is. Okay children, I'll show you the answer. Okay, see children, round, draw the moon and write round, white, silver, no life. smaller than the sun, smaller than the sun, no light of its own. There is no light on its own. So these are the 5 points, children. Okay, now let's do the second bit. Second question. Write the differences between the sun and the moon in the table below. You have sun and the moon, you have to write the differences. First point is very important. It has its own light, children. Sun has its own light, and the moon, it does not have its own light. And sun is bigger than the moon, right? So it is bigger in size than the moon. Second point, it is smaller in size than the sun. It is seen always round in shape from the earth, and the moon is have different shapes. It is seen in different shapes from the earth. This is the second answer, children. Okay, let's do the third one. Why do we see different shapes of the moon from the earth? Why do we see different shapes of the moon of the earth? Because which receives the light only, that part only we can see, because it doesn't have its own light. That's why the moon have the different shapes. The moon is round like a sun. We see different shapes of the moon from the earth. This is because we see only that the part of the moon which receives the light of the sun. The moon does not have its own light. That's why we see different shapes from the earth to the moon. Okay, children? Now let's do the classwork. Okay? Open your reader, page number 116. I've already told you to write the fill in the blanks in your classwork and write it. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. Okay? First one. The shape of the earth can be compared to the globe. So the answer is GLOBE, globe. The earth is dash at the poles. The earth is dash at poles. What is flat? FLAT, flat. Dash proved that the earth is round like a ball. Who has been proved? You have the scientist name, right? So you can see, turn the page and you can see here, about 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth was round like a ball. So this is the answer. Who proved? FERDINAND, Ferdinand. MAGELLAN, Magellan. So this is the answer, children. Okay, the D one. The North Pole is the dash of the earth. The North Pole is the, which side it will be? Top, right? So TOP, top. The South Pole is dash of the earth, bottom of the earth. BOTTOM, bottom. So these are the fill in the blanks, children. Okay. Now we have finished 2 answers in the previous class. Write down the 8th question as your third question. Okay. Among the sun, moon and stars, which is the closest to the earth? Why do stars look smaller than the moon? You'll see the answer, children. Okay. This is the answer. The moon is closest to the earth. Stars look smaller than the moon because they are far away from the earth than the moon. Okay, children, this is your third answer. Write fill in the blanks answers and complete the third answer. Okay, children? Thank you.